Hola, today a very interesting video. I bring you 25 short phrases we say when we want to tell somebody off, when we are annoyed, upset, angry, kind of like insults a little bit, but no curse words, no bad words. So all of these phrases are kind of okay, and you can just say them in different situations when you are angry at someone or when someone is angry at you. And even if you don't use them, it's good that you know them in case somebody says some of these to you. So stick around, watch the whole video because you'll learn some new and useful things today. Let's see them. The first one is eres un sinvergüenza. Eres un sinvergüenza. You are shameless. The translation is you are without shyness. This is something people use a lot with politicians for obvious reasons, or in the subway when there is no place to sit and an old person comes in and nobody gets up to let them sit. Sinvergüenza, shameless, like what you are doing is not right. A similar one is eres un cara dura. Eres un cara dura. Literally translates to hard face. Cara, face, dura, hard. It's like your face is hard. Cara dura. Similar to sinvergüenza, but we also use it like, let's say you lend money to your friend, he doesn't return it, and then he comes back and asks you for more money. ¿Me prestas dinero? Tío, eres un cara dura. How can you ask me again for money when you already owe me? We also have a gesture for this, and it's like this. That means cara dura. This one is a classic. Eres un idiota. Eres un idiota. You're an idiot. When somebody does something stupid, eres un idiota. Especially when we are driving and somebody cuts you off. Idiota! Idiot! Usually we use stronger words for these situations, but you can use this one fine. Eres muy tonto. Eres muy tonto. You are very dumb. Like somebody makes the same mistake over and over again. Like my friend says, he vuelto con María. And I know he hates her. Eres muy tonto. You are very dumb. Eres un inútil. Eres un inútil. You are useless. That's something a mom says usually when they help with something. Like, Mamá, ¿cómo cocino la pasta? Mom, how do I cook the pasta? Eres un inútil. You are useless. You don't know how to do anything. Usually that comes with, anda, déjame. Like, let me do it. A similar one is, no vales para nada. No vales para nada. You are good for nothing. The same when you don't know how to do anything. Like you have a colleague at work that he tried several positions and he is not really good. The boss would probably say, estás despedido. No vales para nada. You're fired. You're good for nothing. Eres un payaso. Eres un payaso. You're a clown. You can use this in a good way, like when my children are being funny. I say, eres un payaso. But you can also use it in a bad way, like especially when somebody's driving and does something wrong. Payaso, clown. Eres ridículo. Eres ridículo. You are ridiculous. Again, when your friend goes back to the same guy or the same girl that hurt them over and over again, and they tell you, le he comprado un coche. I bought her or him a car. Eres ridículo. You are ridiculous. A similar one is, eres patético. Eres patético. You are pathetic. When somebody is losing dignity, like when somebody tries to get to you really hard and tries to make you upset and you don't get upset and they keep trying, you can just say that, like, eres patético. You're pathetic. But you cannot even make me angry. ¡Qué tontería! ¡Qué tontería! What nonsense! What a stupid thing. Like when somebody says, el Real Madrid es mejor que el Barça. Real Madrid is better than Barça. Anda, qué tontería, tío. Come on, what nonsense, man. Eres insoportable. Eres insoportable. You are unbearable. No one can stand you. Like if you have kids and they are like, ¿podemos ir al parque? Porfa, 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 porfa. ¿Podemos? 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 Can we go to the park? Please, please, please. Can we? Can we? Cállate, por favor. Eres insoportable. Shut up, please. You are unbearable. A similar one is, no te soporto. No te soporto. I can't stand you. This is something I've heard once or twice from my wife when I tell her, tenemos que hacer vídeos. ¿Cuándo podemos hacer vídeos? We have to make videos. When can we make a video? And she goes, no te soporto, de verdad. I can't stand you, really. Because I'm being maybe a little bit annoying. Esto es absurdo. Esto es absurdo. This is absurd. Like when something silly is happening, like when you are applying for residency in Spain and you have to do a lot of paperwork and they ask you for everything and you go there, you give them all the papers and they go like, falta un papel. One paper is missing. And maybe it's a stupid paper. You can say, esto es absurdo. This is absurd. It makes no sense. ¿Qué cansino eres? ¿Qué cansino eres? Cansino is annoying, tiresome. So this is something I heard too a couple of times. And it's the same as before when somebody is repeating the same thing. I say this maybe to my mom when she's like, hace frío, ponte la chaqueta, por favor. It's cold. Wear the jacket, please. Put on your jacket, please. Oh, mama, qué cansina eres, por favor. Oh, mom, you're so annoying, please. As you can see, we're a very sweet family. Eres un maleducado. Eres un maleducado. You are rude. Maleducado or maleducada means rude. Somebody with a bad education. So when somebody says something bad to you or insults you, like you're driving and somebody says, eres idiota. You're an idiot. Maleducado. Like when somebody says hello to you and you don't say it back, they'd say, hola. Hola. Oh, qué maleducado. Oh, so rude. That's why it's important in Spain that you always say hello, how are you, good afternoon, good evening. When you go to shops, you meet neighbors, people. Similar one is, eres muy grosero. Eres muy grosero. Grosero means rude or gross. Like if somebody uses a lot of bad words, curse words, or speaking in a very crude way, you can say that. Like you know these people that say, voy a cagar. I'm going to poop. You can say, oh, eres muy grosero. You're gross. No need to say that. Just say I'm going to the bathroom. Voy al lavabo. Me das asco. Me das asco. You disgust me. Same situation when somebody's being gross or nasty. You can say that. Me das asco. Or you just don't like somebody. You can say like, quita, me das asco. Go away. You disgust me. Paso de ti. Paso de ti. I'm done with you. I'm avoiding you. I'm ignoring you. This happens a lot with siblings, that they're having an argument and one of them is very annoying and they're like, eres idiota. You're an idiot. And the other one is, tú más, tú más, tú más, tú más, tú más. You more, you more, you more. You just say, paso de ti. I'm done with you. Done. A ver si maduras. A ver si maduras. Madurar means to be mature. So, a ver si maduras is, let's see if you grow up. Just grow up. Same situation as before, but now as adults. I'm having an argument with my wife, and she says, nunca me ayudas. You never help me. And I reply, nunca me ayudas. A ver si maduras. Grow up. Qué pesado eres. Qué pesado eres. You are so annoying. Again, when somebody's repeating things too much or being annoying, like, ¿me puedes ayudar? Sí. ¿Cuándo? ¿Cuándo puedes ayudarme? ¿Mañana? ¿Pasado mañana? ¿Cuándo? 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 ¡Qué pesado eres! You're so annoying. Mira, déjame. Look, leave me alone. When you don't want anything to do with anybody, when you don't want to continue anything, like again, you're having an argument and the other person is being unreasonable and they're like, no tienes razón porque bla bla bla. Mira, déjame. Look, leave me alone. Stop. Estás fatal. Estás fatal. That means you're awful, but it's more like something's really wrong with you. Like when somebody loses their mind and they start yelling and saying things they should not say and make no sense, just say, uf, estás fatal. Something's wrong with you. Tú estás loco. Tú estás loco or loca. You're crazy. When somebody gives you a crazy argument, like, la Premier League es mejor que la Liga. Tú estás loco. You're crazy. I actually agree with that one. Te odio. Te odio. I hate you. That one doesn't need any explanation. Te odio. Like having a fight with your girlfriend. Me voy a casa de mi madre. Te odio. I'm going to my mom's. I hate you. That never happened to me, Just to be clear. And the last one. Anda, ignórame. Anda, ignórame. Go on and ignore me. So again, you don't want to continue the argument, the discussion, because they're not being reasonable, or someone is being disrespectful to you. Like somebody say, eres estúpido, eres muy tonto, no vales para nada. You're stupid, you're an idiot, you are good for nothing. Anda, ignórame. Go on, ignore me. Pretend I'm not here. All right. I hope those were helpful and you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to please subscribe and like the video so I can continue making more. And I will see you in the next one. Hasta luego.